In today's video, I'm going to guide you through resolving paper jam errors on your HP DeskJet printer. We'll cover fixes suitable for a range of models, including the DeskJet 3700, 2600 and more. If your printer's been stubbornly refusing to feed paper correctly, stay tuned as we unravel multiple solutions to get you printing smoothly again. First, make sure to turn off your printer and unplug it before inspecting the paper tray. Remove any visible pieces of paper stuck in the tray or roller areas. Sometimes smaller fragments of torn paper get stuck inside the printer. Using a flashlight, look inside the chamber to ensure no remnants are blocking the rollers or gears. Try reloading the paper tray with fresh, flat paper. Overfilled or wrinkled pages can often trigger a jam error. Clean the paper feed rollers with a lint-free cloth slightly dampened with water. This can help if dust buildup is causing paper jams. Check that your printer's paper size settings match the actual paper loaded. Mismatched settings can lead to jams during printing. Ensure the rear access door or duplexer is securely attached. Loose components may disrupt the paper feed sequence. If problems persist, run a printer's self-cleaning utility from the software interface. This can help fix underlying issues causing paper jams. After trying all these solutions, if your HP DeskJet still shows a paper jam error, it could be a deeper mechanical issue or worn-out rollers. At this stage, consider checking the description below for recommended maintenance kits or replacement rollers. Also, explore our next video for more troubleshooting tips and potential printer upgrades.